Listen, I know I'm mad at you now, but you have to be careful. Your sister is more dangerous than the zombies.
Oh, man.
Rosalind, watch it! Watch out!
This is awful but hilarious!
She totally wanted a wrecking ball for Christmas. This completely proves that she should never get one.
Otherwise, it'd be such a great gift. What?
Your family sure is, exciting.
Whoa, Rosalind, that was pretty amazing.
Not even. Ready? Okay. Undead. We slay. Go. Die. Zombie. Scum. Yeah. Okay. You're already dead.
Isn't spasmatoid an offensive term?
To who?
Brad!
You have to admit, Nick, we've seen a lot of really interesting stuff today.
Quit trying to turn it into something positive. This is a living nightmare.
Oh, you're so cute when you're being a buzzkill. Awesome!
Awesome!
God, I love shopping.
Check this out!
Call my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, then I haven't got a chance. I can't.
Let's go! I wonder what they have. Let's go! God, I love shopping. I found something! That's it! There it is! There it is! That's it! That's it! There it is! There it is! Check this out! I found something! Check this out! I found something! There it is! There it is! Let's go!
Die, my darling.
There's a weight limit on this thing. Gotta make sure zombies don't slow it down. Awesome!
If they do, I'll put them on my new disembowelment diet. Nick toss!
Do you have a damn bun?
God, you're hot! Nick toss!
All right! Pop it! It's a party!
Fuck yeah!
Cool!
They're selling popsicle for 50 cents.
It's getting too heavy! Awesome!
I adore you! Nick toss!
Ah, we're falling!
Ugh, I got us! Yay!
Yay might be pushing it.
Neat. Whoa, check out that cathedral. It's beautiful.
Yeah, the aesthetics of my surroundings are so interesting to me right now.
I know.
Oh, God. This is asinine, Juliet. I don't need to be here.
You're my moral support, Nick. You could do some cheers.
Rah, rah, it sucks being ahead. Fuck everything. Rah, rah, how's that?
Seriously, it was terrible. But I bet you'll get better with practice.